I bought one of these dowel jigs off the internet. It's under 10 bucks. It allows you to drill 3 different size holes for 3 different size dowel pins. It came with some various stuff. I will say that this video is about the kit, and I'll do another video on actually using it. But what it came with was the 3 drill bits that fit these 3 different size holes. The drill bits have 3 stops and a tool for tightening the screws on the stops. These should actually be unnecessary, these center point markers. You can use it after you drill the hole. You can put it over here in the hole and then push up against another board and make a mark for where to drill, but theoretically with this you don't need it. What else did it come with? It came with this fence, which if it were an IQ test I would have flunked, but it simply goes in here like this, and then it's screwed down. There's 2 screws that hold it in place here. I tried every way possible to get this wrong. I tried putting it in here like that, and it was just like, no, it can't go like that, and whatever. So anyway, I don't know. It's just one of those days where my brain was being stubborn, but it goes in here like this, and it allows you to align the where you place the hole in the board this way. And then it came with some sample dowel pins. This jig helps you position the hole, the depth, and so on, and many other ways. Let's zoom in here a little bit. You can see back here there's a stop on the drill bit, which allows you to control the depth of the drilling. Typically it's more than half the length of the dowel pin because you need room for glue. There's also some other things. Let me reposition. The pins on the jig allow you to center each of the holes, whichever hole you're using, directly over the wood, so that when you go to drill, your drill bit is going in exactly midway across the width of the board. With the fence in position and set, and using these 3 slots right here, the correct one, you can position the hole to be drilled in the facing board perfectly from the top to the bottom of the board. Well, as we've seen, this jig, at least in theory, will help you control all the dimensions you need to drill for a dowel pin this way, across this way, and then of course control depth in both the this board and then the facing board. Now I've seen this used by professionals on the internet demonstrating it, and they make it look awfully easy, which of course they're professionals. So I'm going to go try it and we'll see how it works in the hands of a rank amateur, and I'll make a second video on that. Okay, well I hope you found that useful and interesting in your home maintenance and home building projects.